Well, third straight day of solid gains coming in on the last street with the Nifty clocking in a triple-digit rally today. In fact, ending very close to the 24,500 mark, which, by the way, happens to be a crucial resistance zone on the index. Remember, experts believe that if we close above that 24,500 mark decisively, we could see a fresh leg of up move in the market. Broad end of the markets were also in fine fettle. Both the Nifty mid and small cap indices gained in excess of 0.8%. PSU Bank index was the top mover today. If you look at the metals pack, that was also shining bright. 1% gain coming in after yesterday's up move. Look at some of the individual movers on the Nifty. You had the likes of Adani Ports as well as NTPC. Those two are the top gainers. On the flip side, Hero Motocorp as well as Bharti Airtel. Those two are the top laggards. Talk about some of the other movers then. Cigarette makers were, sulking in trade, given the fact that reports suggest that a group of ministers has proposed a 35% tax rate on tobacco and tobacco products. Because of that, cigarette makers were feeling the heat. If you look at some of the other movers, Granules India, that stock plummeted over 10% on the back of negative news flow. US FDA has wrapped its Hyderabad unit, and in reaction to that, the stock was down over 10%. Look at some of the other movers. Swiggy, reported its first set of earnings post listing. Losses narrowed, revenues are up in excess of 30% on a YY basis, but the stock came off days high. In fact, ending the day in the red. Look at some of the other movers on the Nifty 500 index. You had the likes of HEG that rallied 14%. On the flip side, you had Indegene. There was a block deal in the counter, and the stock reacting to that 6% lower in trade today. Well, that was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.